In this video, I'll walk you through 3 different ways to cut and trim your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Just grab the start or end of your clip and drag it inward. You'll see a red bracket icon appear when you're doing this. That means you're trimming. This is great for quickly cutting off extra footage at the beginning or end. But if you want to cut something out from the middle, this won't be enough. If you want full control, switch to the razor tool by pressing the C key on your keyboard or click the razor icon in the toolbar. Now you can click anywhere on the timeline to make a cut. Once the clip is sliced, you can move or delete any part of it freely. This is perfect for cutting out pauses, mistakes, or switching shots. The fastest way to cut without changing tools is by placing your playhead where you want the split and pressing Ctrl K on Windows or Command K on Mac. It instantly makes a cut at that exact frame, super handy if you're editing on the fly. Try each one out and see what works best for your editing style. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.